Huatai manufacturing illuminates Tanzania's edible oil industry. Behind me are the core equipment of 50 ton per day sunflower seed oil production line, soon to be shipped to Tanzania. First, the high efficiency and energy saving. Leacher is the key equipment for oil extraction. The oil cakes after preliminary passing will be sent. Here, using specialized solvents, it extracts every last drop of oil, elevating the oil yield to a new level. This equipment holds a national patent. Second, the cooking machine unit has the main equipment in separate treatment section. Sunflower seed kernels undergo precise temperature and moisture control here, laying the perfect foundation for efficient oil pressing. Third, the heat transfer oil, furnace and steam oil. They are the energy heart of the entire factory, providing stable and efficient for almost all heat-requiring processes, such as cooking, evaporation, and deodorization. However, these four pieces of equipment are just part of the whole factory. A company 50-ton sunflower seed oil plant is an interconnected, precision industrial chain from pretreatment, cleaning, hulling, and peeling to oil extraction via pressing and leaching, and then to refining processes including degumming, deacidification, decolorization, deodorization, especially dewaxing, an indispensable step for sunflower seed oil. Every step relies on professional Asia equipment. Today's shipment marks a critical phase of core equipment for the project. Subsequently, more equipment from pretreatment or refining will arrive one after another. What the Thai group delivers is never just cold steel. Along with the equipment comes a complete turnkey solution, including overall design, installation, commissioning, and personnel training. Let's look forward to the near future, when pure and fragrant sunflower seed oil, sourced locally, will waft across Tanzania's land. This is the achievement of Huatai manufacturing with the world, and a fruit of mutual development for high-end grain and oil equipment. Choose Huatai Group.